Hello everybody. Today we'll come to know about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Firstly, we have introduction. What is all about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Aims and objectives, implementation, outcome and benefits, contribution of NCC towards Swachh Abhiyan, benefits of Swachh Abhiyan. First, introduction. We Indians are personally very clean people who takes bath daily, brush their teeth, wash their hands before eating. We keep our house very clean. But when it comes to streets, public places, railway stations, parks, place of worship, it's an other way round. This is the state of affair in everywhere in India, including hundreds and thousands of villages, towns, mega cities, as well as in our national capital Delhi. And also we maintain a very poor civic sense or social ethics. No one else is going to do for us, but we ourselves have to bring the change. What is civic sense? Civic sense is all about having consideration for fellow human being. It means being polite, showing consideration to elders, women, children, disabled people, handicapped people, driving in own lanes, throwing one's garbage in dustbins, and smoking only at designated place. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, in English it is called as Clean India Movement, is a campaign by Government of India to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the countries, cities and towns with the ultimate aim of making our country clean from garbage. The campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat on Gandhi Jayanti, New Delhi, by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is India's largest ever cleaning drive with 3 million government employees and especially school and college students from all parts of India participating in the campaign. Aims and objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The Swachh Bharat mission aim is to involve each and every Indian from all walks of life in the mission of cleanliness. It is a mass movement that seeks to create a clean India. The objectives of Swachh Bharat are to reduce or eliminate open defecation through the construction of individual, cluster and community toilets. The Swachh Bharat mission will also make an accountable mechanism of monitoring the latrine use. The government is aiming to achieve open defecation free ODF India by 2nd October 2019, the 150th anniversary of the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, by constructing 12 million toilets in rural India at a projected cost of 1.9 lakh crores. Implementation. By inviting common people to participate in the mission, a sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people, with citizens now becoming active participants in cleanliness activity across the nation. The dream of Clean India by Mahatma Gandhi has taken a shape. Contribution of NCC towards Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, awarded the National Cadet Corps for its outstanding contribution towards Swachh Bharat Mission, which is a pride, as we are part of NCC. NCC, though its mass base is in rural and urban areas, took up the task of Swachhta during Swachh Pakhwada from August 1 to 15, 2016 on war footing, with a total of 5,80,000 cadets participating. The campaign was carried out pan-India across all states and union territories. 17 NCC directorates, including more than 10,000 institutes, participated. The National Cadet Corps has been a major part of Swachh Bharat mission, and the NCC cadets have been carrying it out. These activities, as a part of social responsibility and community development, the enthusiasm shown by NCC cadets also inspired the locals to join it to make Swachh Bharat mission a great success. The activities carried out by cadets were cleanliness drive at historical sites, a mass pledge by cadets. The NCC also held awareness rallies, street plays, lectures, and seminars across the country. The cadets distributed public health material with the help of civil administration, cleaned statues of national leaders, and made posters to spread awareness about Swachhta. The Swachhta Abhiyan is very close to NCC, and the cadets perform these activities as part of social responsibility and community development of NCC curriculum. The cadets took a pledge to devote at least 2 hours every week towards Swachhta. Shaucha Abhiyan. Shaucha mission is an aim to construct individual sanitary latrines for household purpose. Shaucha Abhiyan is a project within Swachh Bharat Abhiyan which deals with only toilets, bathrooms in the country. Benefits of Shaucha Abhiyan. It is beneficial for the people living below poverty line. It assists in converting dry latrine into low-cost sanitary latrines. It also provides facility of hand pumping, safe and secure bathroom facilities, setting up sanitary stores, construction of drains for disposal of solid and liquid waste, etc. Conclusion. Civic sense is not about keeping the road clean and avoiding the violation of basic civil rights. It is about respecting one another. abiding by the law, and maintaining discipline in the public, a clean India would be the best tribute to India could pay to father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi. Summary. Lastly, we have summary. The Swachh Bharat Mission aim is to involve each and every Indian from all walks of life in the mission of cleanliness. It is a mass movement that seeks to create a clean India. The object of Swachh Bharat are to reduce or eliminate open defecation through the construction of individual, cluster, and community toilets. The Swachh Bharat mission will also make an The Swachh Bharat mission will also make an establishment on accountable mechanism of monitoring latrine use. Contribution of NCC towards Bharat Abhiyan. NCC, though its mass base is in rural and urban areas, took up the task of Swachhta during Swachhta Pakhwada. The National Cadet Corps have been a major part of Swachh Bharat mission. The NCC cadets have been carrying out these activities as part of social responsibility and community development. The activities carried out by the cadets were cleanliness drive at a historical site and mass pledge by cadets. The NCC also held awareness rallies, street plays, lectures and seminars across the country. The cadets distributed public health material with the help of civil administration, cleaned statues of national leaders, and made posters to spread awareness about Swachhta. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can send me or through text or can call me. Okay, thank you very much.